You want to craft a clear offer and decide on a transformation for your membership. A clear offer is a description of the services or products or both that your member is going to receive when they join. A great offer doesn't just list benefits. It doesn't just list perks and items. It tells you a transformation story. People join memberships to solve a problem, not just to consume content. Think about your journey here with Arlan's All Access. You want to make $100,000 over the next 12 months, right? That's what you came into thinking. You want to solve the problem of not having what you consider enough money. So we're helping you solve that problem within Arlan's All Access. So that's a transformation. You start without $100,000, you end with $100,000. So imagine you were starting a membership for freelancers. You could say, join my membership for freelancers. That's not really an offer. That's a statement. Or you could say, join my membership for freelancers where I teach you how to make $10,000 per month in just 6 months. That's a transformation. That's going from not making that amount for that target audience to making that amount. And just because I've used 2 examples about money transformation, it doesn't mean that your membership has to be about that. In fact, most memberships will not be about money. A clear offer instantly makes your membership more attractive. Focus on the value of the membership and the result of the membership rather than features in the product. This helps potential members understand exactly why they need to join, and it creates that urgency within them. Okay, so how do you figure out that transformation? How do you take someone from A to Z in a period of time? Identify a problem that you want to solve. I said in another video a while back that your job as an entrepreneur is to become a problem solver. If you can become a problem solver, you'll never have to worry about money again. You've thought about your UVP, you've thought about your target audience. Now you're going to say, what is that pain? What is that gap in information, that gap in access? What is that pain point that my target audience in my niche has? So you'll decide on what that pain point is, like the busy moms who don't have enough time. You give them back time by making something that may take an hour, take 15 minutes, or something that they may have to drive to available on their laptop, etc., right? You create a solution for a problem that they have. So the first thing you have to do is decide, what is that problem? Then you're going to decide, what is the desired outcome that I want to be the solve for this problem? Then you decide, how do you articulate that as a transformation? So I know what their problem is. X does not have Y, right? The solution I know for them is, I am going to create something that does this for that person or that problem. And then you're going to take them step by step in solving the problem. So your job now is to create the journey for them to get from A to Z, to get from the lack and the issue and the problem to the solution and the have. So you'll give them a step-by-step journey, just like we have in Arlan's All Access. You have a start here, you have that information, and then you go into weeks 1 through 4, and you learn about memberships, you learn about YouTube, you learn about branding, you go through those steps, and then I take you into, okay, now this is how you launch a school membership, step by step by step. And now I'm teaching you here even more specifically, these are the 10 steps that you take to go from not having a membership and making money that way to having a membership and successfully making money that way. So focus on outcomes, not just features. Highlight the result your member is going to have if they go into your membership. Think of it like this journey, this physical journey they're going to walk on. You are their guide, and you're about to take them on a walking tour from this problem to the solution. What does that look like? Be specific. Instead of saying get healthier, you're saying things like, we're going to have these 15-minute videos. They're going to be about these topics, and we're going to do this. Your arms are going to get stronger. Your legs are going to get firmer. You know, it's a specific language that you're using as well. So I actually did this with Arlan's All Access. It started out a little vague, where I said, you're going to make 6 figures, $100,000 in the next 12 months. It's very specific, by the way, great offer. But then the how is it with memberships, with YouTube, with learning how to define your unique value proposition, with branding, right? These very specific things that now people know, oh, that's what I'm learning inside the membership. Instead of saying something like, my membership will improve your business, say, my membership will help you gain an extra $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue within 120 days. And you're going to want to make sure that your content and your posts reflect that journey. And we'll get into exactly what you should post and how you should post it in a few videos from now.